SoftAcademy. So in this tutorial session I'll make this next part of Oracle Forms developer series. I have started in the previous session which is Oracle Forms development, how you can develop a commercial application using Oracle Forms. So Oracle Forms is a product of Oracle corporation, and this is a nice tool for developing business applications, various business applications like commercial applications or retail applications or any other ERP systems you can develop by Oracle Forms. So whoever not watched my previous video, you just watch this first video, that is introduction to Oracle Forms developer, that is also called D2K. So this is a nice tool for developing commercial applications, as I said, and just watch this first video. You will get to know various things and in details about the introduction and what are the use of Oracle Forms, what are the use of Oracle reports, and how we can use this development tool to create various applications. Okay, so today I just discuss about the next part of this tutorial session. So today's topic is about the Oracle Forms development, that is I'll show today creating a simple form using Oracle Forms developer. Okay, so in today's video tutorial I'll show you how to create a simple forms using Oracle Forms developer or developer 2000, or it is also said D2K. Okay, so now I'll go to the Oracle Forms developer tool, Forms Builder. So after your Forms Builder installed in your system, you will get this kind of icon. So just click over this icon. But before that I want to show you the database, because Oracle Forms is used to create the business application connecting with the database, and database must have there to create the business application. Okay, any kind of application, commercial application or retail application or any business application or ERP system, whatever, but database is must. Okay, so here this tool is development tool is used basically to develop this kind of applications using the Oracle as a backend database. Okay, so I have opened my SQL Star Plus, and I have a table which is already in the Scott schema, that is EMP table. So this EMP table has 14 records. Okay, so now from the user story, when a user is not a technical person, and when he is not he did not know what is the SQL, what is the Oracle, how they can insert data, how they can update data, how they can delete data, or whatever data manipulation he can do is by the application. Okay, front end application. So he can do it by the data entry screen. Okay, so that can be developed using the Oracle Forms Builder or Oracle Forms developer. So I'll create such a kind of forms or data entry screen in this tutorial session. So after installing Oracle Forms developer, you will see this kind of icon. I am just clicking over this icon. And after clicking over the icon, it will show this kind of dialog message. Welcome to the form builder, and here you can see where to start designing. So use the data block wizard. This is a default option selected, so I'll go for the default option, and I'll click over OK. Okay, and it is showing welcome to the data block wizard. So by this wizard we can create our forms using the database connectivity. Okay, so this is the data block wizard. so display this page next time. Okay, I'll click over the next. Now here it is showing table or view, two options, table or view and stored procedure. So I can build a here I'll build a form using table or view, based on table or view. So just default option will be selected and I'll just click over next. And here I have to type the table name, or on which table I will want to make the data entry screen or my form. Okay, so if I not remember the table name, and you can just need not to remember the we can just need not to remember the table name or type the table name. Just we can just browse here, and here since I have not connected with the database, here connection option is showing, so I'll give the credential for database connectivity here. So here my username is Scott and my password is Tiger, and I need not to put here database, just I'm connect here. Now after connect button is clicked, it is showing the default tables which are present in our Scott schema. Okay, so I have bonus table, I have department table, DPT, EMP table and cell grade table. Okay, so I'll make a form using the EMP table. Okay, just select the EMP table and click OK. So here available columns, which are the available columns in my EMP table, it is showing here. All the table columns are showing here. So just I'll just select all these columns as a database item. Okay, so just click over double arrow sign to make it to the right, to take it in the right box. Okay, take all the column names in the right box. Okay, here EMP number, ename, job, manager, hire date, cell, commission and department number, all the columns which are exist in my EMP table. See here all the column name is showing, all these columns are here showing, right? So now I'll just click over the next, and it is showing congratulations, and I can go with the default option, create the data block, then call the layout wizard. So just finish, and this is my layout wizard. Okay, so display the page in the next time. So I'll just click over the next button, and it is showing the canvas. I have to select it. I have to select here canvas. So default is the content canvas, and there are few more canvases. We will discuss about those canvases later. So I'll go with the default option, and I'll make the next, click over the next button, and here available items is showing, that is the database column names, and displayed item, that means which columns I want to show, I want to see in my canvas, or I want to place in my canvas. Okay, so just I want to place all the columns on my canvas. Okay, and then I click one next, and this is showing the name, prompt, whatever the title, and here width and height is showing like this. You need not to change anything, just click over next. And here form and table are two kind of design is showing, and if you clicked over the form, if I go with the default option form, it will create the form like this. Okay, and if I select table layout, this is create the form like a table. Okay, so I'll just make it form like I'll create the screen which is by default form. So I'll click over next, and here frame title, so I want to place my all the items in a frame. So I just write here EMP details. Okay, and I want to display one record only, so just click over the next, and it is showing congratulations. I am just going to click over finish. So my form has been created. Okay, so it is by default module 1 is created, and see here data blocks is I whatever the table name in the database, that is comes inside the data blocks wizard, the data blocks node. So and in the EMP whatever the columns present in the database, that has been come in the items, all the items just at all these fields are added in the item section. Okay, and there is a by default a canvas has been created, and also a window is there. Okay, so now if I want to see the form, whatever the form look like, just I want to run I'll go to program and run form client server. Okay, so my form is running. See here employee number is showing, manager number, commission in ENM, all the fields are coming here with my I have given the EMP details for my frame. So all the columns which are present in the table, it is showing as a text item and with a title also as per the database column field name, and it is showing it is created nicely some text items, so that I can create I can enter some values for the data for MP number, manager, commission, e-name, hire date, department number. I can enter each of the items and I can insert data into the database. So I'll show you how to insert and data in the database. So here let's say my employee number is 8000, but let me check, it is not there. Yes, employee number there is no with 8000. So I'm just putting here, and manager name I am just giving the king, who is the manager of all, president. So I'm just giving this ID 7839. Okay, 7839. And commission I'll give here 10%. Okay, and employee name, let's say John. I think John is not there. Yes, Smith, Jones. Okay, okay, John is not there. Okay, I'll give here name John. Okay, let me refresh this. I'll make I actually I've been pressed some other keys, so just run another time client server. Okay, now my employee name is 8000, and manager is, what is the manager ID? King is the manager ID 7839. Okay, 7839. And commission, whatever the commission in general, 0, 300, 500. Okay, I can put anything. 10. E-name John, JOHN. And hire date, what is the trending hire date here? Okay, I'm just putting here today's date. Today is Fifth of April. 22. Okay, and next is department number. I can say 20. Okay, yes, I can say 20. And job, what is the job? Software developer. I just write here software, but it should not be exceeds the columns length. Job, let's see, DSC, EMP. So okay, okay, I just copy any here. It is not saying some buffer. I have to increase some buffer length actually, so that's why it is not showing. Anyway, I will just give analyst here. So I'll give here analyst and salary. Okay, I am just giving 3000. So if I have entered all the data for my screen, data entry screen, to insert a new record for new employee. Okay, and I just click over the save button, and it is showing save. Let's see it is saved in my table or not, it is being inserted in my table or not. Okay, so I am just running over the same command, select star from EMP, and I should get the employee number inserted in that table. Select, see here last record, just notice the last record that is being inserted using the Oracle forms, that is the data entry screen. Okay, John analyst, this is the manager ID, and this is the today's date, and 3000, and commission is 10, and department is 20. The same records is being inserted using the form. Okay, or it is the data entry screen. So this is helpful for the user who don't know about the Oracle database, or who have no idea about the technology, any kind of SQL, PL/SQL, or Oracle technology. So we can make this kind of forms or user entry screen, so that user can enter data and save the records, insert the records, and the same way you can delete the records and update the records, which I will discuss in the following section, following tutorials. So today that's all for this today's session. Hope you have liked this video and you have learned from this video, and just give a like if you learned from this video and if you liked this video, and also subscribe my channel if you not yet subscribed, to get more videos and to watch all these videos. And after watching all the videos, just watch from the start to the end, so that you can understand the topic well, because I have explained each topic in hands-on practicals with the easy explanation. So watch all the videos from the start to the end. I have uploaded many videos here, from starting from SQL, then PL/SQL, different PL/SQL advanced programming topics, and then various interview questions and answers. If you prepare these questions and answer well, you can just face any kind of interview, and you will prepare and you will reply with the proper answer to the interviewer. And also for a short introduction about me, I am a senior Oracle consultant who are watching this channel new. Just for them, I want to introduce myself as to the very short, that is I am a senior Oracle consultant, as well as technical and corporate trainer and interviewer. I have total of 17 years of experiences Oracle in different kind of Oracle technologies, as you see in my screen: SQL, PL/SQL programming, Oracle database architecture and design, Oracle database administration, Oracle forms and reports development, and Unix shell scripting. So during my 17 years of experiences, I have worked all these technologies, all these different kind of Unix and Oracle technologies, and I have holded many positions in many big IT MNCs during my 17 years of career in software development. I have reached many positions, starting from Oracle developer to the technical lead, then team lead, then project lead, then senior system analyst, then project manager. So this kind of roles I have played in many big IT MNC companies, and I shared all these experiences through this video tutorial channel, so that who started learning Oracle, or who are interested to learn Oracle, they can learn from my tutorial channel, and they are getting all this tutorial free. And I am sharing all my experiences through this tutorial channel, through the various videos, different kind of videos on Oracle, different technologies, and who actually want to learn that Oracle, they can watch all these videos and they can make their skill and learn various topics on Oracle, different technologies well. Okay. And also if you liked whatever video you watch, after watching my video, you just like it if my video is useful for you for your learning, and if my video have added some value to your learning. Okay, just like the video, subscribe my channel, and also share my video with your friends, colleagues, and your known person, so that they can also learn from my video and make their skill and grow their skill. Okay. And also, if you are interested to join my different Oracle different training sessions like SQL, that is structured query language, I provide complete training for SQL, complete training for Oracle PL SQL programming, Oracle database architecture and design, and Oracle database administration, and Unix sales programming and scripting. Okay, so if you want to join my online, and I provide these training courses throughout the online interactive training sessions. So if you want to join my interactive training session on any of the modules which I told, you just WhatsApp me, that is mentioned in the about page. You just WhatsApp me in this number, and this is my number. If you interested to join my online training courses, you just WhatsApp me your number, which courses you want to join, and or you can email me this email ID. Whatever your queries, you can just WhatsApp me or email me for detail if you want to know the detail about course or whatever. And if after getting your email or message, I will reply back, and after completing a short process, you can just start your course and online interactive training sessions from me. Okay. And these are not the pre-recorded videos. You can learn very well step-by-step process, and with the very many hands-on practicals in my online training sessions. So if you face that you will be in it will be good if you join my training session. You just want to join, that is a very easy process. I told you, just message me or email me, and I'll reply back whatever you have to do, a small process. After that process, you can just join my online training sessions, and it is ongoing, and you can just join any batches. It is ongoing, and I am delivering this training during the last 12 years. Okay, all these trainings. Okay, that's all for this tutorial session. I hope you have enjoyed this session, and hope to see you in my next video. Okay, thank you very much for your time, and bye.